Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a short video on how to trim your Vivitar Skyview drone. Also, we will talk a little bit on how to increase your speed. Okay, let's get straight to it. On your remote control, these two buttons right here is what you use to control your speed, and on the left side you have the low speed button, and on the right side the high speed, or it is said the medium speed. While on this other side, these two buttons right here is what you use to control your trim. So let's get straight to it. If you want to fly at the lowest speed possible, you use the far left button, and if you push to the left, it reduces the speed to the lowest level, and to the right, if you push up, it will increase the speed, and then you push down, it reduces the speed. So that's just very simple. Up increases the speed, down reduces the speed, and then to your right, these two buttons are what you use to control your trim. It is very simple. If your drone is drifting forward, you have to push your trim backward, and to do that you use the left button, this one right here. You push it down or backward, and that will cause your drone to stop drifting forward. You can push it backward once and see if it stops, and if it doesn't, you push it again until it is stable. And then if your drone is drifting backward, you have to push it forward. So it is the same thing and very simple. And also, if it is drifting to the left, you push it to the right, and to the right you push it to the left. So that is very, very simple. Let me just repeat it again. If your drone is drifting to the left, you have to push it to the right, and if it is drifting to the right, you have to push it to the left. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment below, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.